A, B, and C are three towns. The bearing of B from the letter, the word from is very important. Now, what was the theory? If you can keep the notes with you also. In questions of bearing, remember that the north is always on the letter which comes after the word from. The north is always on the letter which comes after the word from. He says find the bearing of A from B. So you need a bearing. You need a north on the letter B, which is already there. I have made a green circle. This is the angle I want to find. Look at the question, please.
Yes.
So now please start thinking it. I need a suggestion. I have a 110 angle. I have a 280 angle. I have two sides also.
Sir, could you, okay, I don't know if this is correct to do, but could you do 280 plus 110 plus x
280 is
equals
280 is outside. We actually
okay.
need an angle. We actually need an angle which is coming
Inside.
the green line.
Okay.
Which is coming from the green line. So I hope you have the book in front of you, so you can work with me as a pencil on a diagram. Pencil work is better. So I put a question mark here also. Can you tell me this green question mark, how much it would be?
How much it could be green. It could be less than 90. Yeah.
Look at the screen.
No.
Look at the screen.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, 180?
Look at the screen, please. How much it is? I made an arrow for you also.
70. 77.
Yes.
Sir, how did you do 180?
What's an angle on a straight line?
On a straight line, angle on 180.
Angle on a straight line is always 180. This is a property. Now look at the screen. This is north. This is also north. And if you remember the property, alternate angles, I draw it here for understanding. If this is 70, this will also be 70.
Yes. Okay. So the answer would be 70 then?
No, 70. This angle will be 70.
Okay. Oh, so then you would do 110 plus 70.
Now 70, and look at the green angle. You need this green angle. Look at the question mark.
Yes.
The total angle in a circle is how much?
360.
I have the red angle 70 and I need the green angle.
You need so you do 360 minus 70?
Good. I'm going to rub for my next part, and you should note down whatever you want, but it should be a pencil work. Calculate angle BAC. So can you see what is BAC? Is it BAC is this blue angle? Look at the screen. What is BAC? Look at the
I think
letters.
yes. I
Look
think
at the letters. Look at the letters B, A, C. Walk. Just walk your finger on it. BAC. Is it this blue angle?
yes.
So, in order to make a better presentation for examiner, I am making a triangle here. And you can also make a triangle with me here. So it will be a good discussion, good understanding for examiner what we are doing. We need BAC. I have marked 290 on my diagram. So you also please mark 290 on your diagram. And I need help in this red angle. I need to find this red angle.
So you would do 90 minus 70 because it's a right angle, right?
There is no right angle here. Look carefully. The 70 is not part of that angle. Look at the red angle carefully. And the blue angle. I removed this for avoiding confusion. Now look at carefully. How I can find the red angle? Look carefully, 290 and 280.
290 minus 280.
Very good. Is equal to 10. Copy it here.
Sir, I copied it.
Our question mark is the blue angle. Please recall, please recall sign rule for me. What is the sign? You can look on the notes.
The sine rule is sine A divided by A equals sine B divided by B.
A upon A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B.
Yes.
So do you remember that arrow concept we discussed in our class?
Yes. Yes.
So look at these steps carefully, copy them. First copy till here, let me know.
Sir, I copied. Sir, the answer that I got is 0.228.
Please make sure your calculator is in degree mode.
Oh yes, it is degree mode.
Can you tell me what is 50 upon 38?
That's a 1.316.
1.83.
No, 1.3316. Yeah. And then I would do
Then multiply it with sine 10.
yes. Now I got 0.228. 228. Two. Yes. And then okay.
Now use sine inverse function. We need the angle.
Yes. Now I got 13.118. 13.18. Yes.
13 point.
18. 18.
Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So now look at the triangle. There are three angles. Now see this working carefully, understand it, and then do this working.
Sir, I got 156.2.
Sorry.
156.2. That's the answer that I
Yes.
got.
A road is built from A to join the straight road BC. Calculate the shortest possible length of the new road. You can always look at the notes because we make notes and we are hopefully maintaining a separate register. So we can always sorry, we can always find the notes. So a road is built from A to join the straight line BC. So how we find shortest distance? You can see that, you can look on the notes. I'm drawing the triangle again.
Sir, you find the shortest distance
How
from
when you look at the look on the look on the notes, how we find shortest distance?
its shortest distance is always perpendicular, so you can find it from like between the triangle. You can make a line, a dotted line.
But what type of line should I draw for shortest distance?
Dotted line.
No, that I'm not asking. Dotted line is fine. Can you please open your register, scroll it because I
Yes,
want.
I did.
So how we find shortest distance in the notes?
Um, Sir, for shortest distance, I wrote that you find it like I don't know. No, I don't think I wrote.
So please write here also in your copy in your past paper book.
Okay.
Shortest distance.
Yes.
Shortest distance is always perpendicular distance.
Yes.
Now you have to help me to make a perpendicular in your copy also.
Okay. In my book or in the past paper book.
No, past paper, obviously. The thing you are
Oh,
doing right now.
okay.
I have to draw a perpendicular from the line from A to BC. Okay. I have to draw a perpendicular from A to BC. So please draw with me a neat perpendicular. I have drawn this red line. I have made all the marking here and you need to help me to get this. I need to find D.
Um, you need to find D. Wait, so D will be the shortest distance.
D is the shortest distance, right? Now it's a triangle.
Okay.
It's a right angle triangle. Do you remember sine, cos, tan, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse?
Yes.
So
Yes. So for this one we can use sine
look at the
or
screen,
tan.
please.
Sine.
So now copy this
So
working.
for right angle, it's always sine, right? Always
Sine, cos, and tan. There are three properties for every right angle triangle.
So how do you know that you're supposed to use sine?
What is sine? Look at the property. What's the sine? Opposite upon hypotenuse.
Oh, okay.
So what you do next time, so because I should have informed you that we need to do papers on trigonometry. So next time, please revise this topic and inshallah, it will be much better because these are properties. Today we have revised much, but next time when we in the class, you once you revise all the notes, then you will remember that there are three properties: opposite upon hypotenuse. So I'm writing
Okay.
upon.
Sir, isn't it 13.18? 18.
Sorry.
It's 13.18.
It was 13.18 what you told me. So I'm taking it 13.2. Slight difference. I have rounded it.
No, that's fine?
That's fine. 13.2 is 13.18.
Okay. Okay. Okay, but I in the calculator I put 13.18 and the
It doesn't
answer
matter.
that I got is okay. The answer I got is 8.66.
Sorry.
The answer that I got is 8.66 for this equation. Yes.
Town A has a rectangular park. The length of the park is X. The width of the park is this. No, it's not trigonometry. It's pure math now. Okay, it's algebra. So that's fine. Now you have to look for the next question. Please check your book and let me know the next question.
So the next question is May-June 2016 paper. Yeah, May-June 2016.
Paper number?
Paper 43.
And question number?
5.
Uh, 5. May, June 1642. May, June 16, you said, right?
Yes.
But it's not question number 5 then, because it's not trigonometry. Can you please check the question number again? Maybe the question number is not correct.
Yes. No, it's May, June 2016, paper 43. Paper 43? Is this paper 43?
No, it's 42. Now, question number 5.
5, yes.
This is the question.
Yes. Yes.
A plane flies from A to C and then from C to B. AC is 510, CB is 720, bearing of C from A is 135 and angle ACB is 40 degree. Find the bearing of B from C. What is the significance of this letter, this word from? The north line always come after the word from. So from C, north is already there on C, B from C. B from C, so I make the angle. This is the angle. I made a question mark. You have to find this. Okay, now read the question again. And the letter written after the word from will carry the north. Five A part 1. We need to find this question mark.
Yes. Yes.
These are parallel lines. So this green angle is 135 and this green angle is 180. So can you tell me how I can find the question mark?
Yes, you can. So what you can do is you can since all of this it would equal to 360. So you would do 180 plus 135 plus 40 plus x equals 360.
40 is not part of it. Okay, now look in again very carefully. Look, walk, move your finger on blue angle, question mark angle. Okay,
Okay.
and carefully
Okay.
see what are the two angles in it.
So you do 180 plus 135.
Very good. 180 plus 135.
Sir, this still is a little confusing because
What are you getting
the
for
sum.
this?
I got 315.
350. 15.
15. 1 5.
C from B. What is the letter after the word from?
A B. B.
So we need a north line on B.
B from B. Sir, I think I know what you need to do for this one.
Hmm?
You would do 135 plus 40, like plus 40. And
No,
the
but
answer that you get,
first draw with me. Please first draw with me. This is the angle I'm looking for. Do not make any random addition or
yeah.
subtraction. Look at this screen. First, look at this blue arrow. And I remove my question mark from here. And I put my question mark here. Now, first copy this in a pencil.
Yes. Hello?
I need to find this question mark. And I have a 135, I have a 40, I have another 135. If you look the diagram very carefully and you look at this 45 and if I mark, I have to, because there are 2 to 135 here, but I make a red arrow. Look at this red arrow, okay? And look this red arrow. The answer is in front of you.
Yes.
So what is the answer?
It's 135.
Very good. It's 135. Calculate AB and show that it rounds to 464.4 kilometer to one's decimal place. Calculate AB. I have made the triangle again as for my working presentation and for clarity.
Sir,
Yes,
in the back, the answer is different for both of the
C
answer.
from B. What part? A part
Yeah.
1 or A part 2?
Both of them. Both.
Both of them.
Yeah. Yes, part A is 275 and the second part is 095. 95 basically, but with a 0 in front.
Can't be. Are you looking in the right marking scheme? It's June 1643.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let me check.
Question.
Meanwhile, you copy this diagram.
Okay.
Please copy this screen. So we keep it up to here. Let's complete this question in our next class. Have you copied it till here?
Yes.
Okay. So try to complete it and we will check the answers also. But I think answers are right. Our answers are right. But let's check it in the next class. Thank you.
Okay.